Welcome everyone to Bullseye Options. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is December 4th, 2020. I'm going to share with you guys a trade that I just closed out. I'll show you exactly how I did it. It was in Weyerhaeuser. We took a 33% gain on this trade in really just a little over a week, and I'll show you exactly how we did it here. If you take a look at the stock, we entered on the 19th of November. We bought call options there. We didn't go too far out of the money. We bought the $32 strike price. You'll see the stock right now trading just a hair below $31, and we got involved right here. And the reason for getting involved was you'll see a long sideways choppy consolidation base really starting around August. Then we had this hard sell-off bar that took place around the 9th of November. And if you recall, if you look at any of the markets, you'll see the markets all sold off pretty sharply, but they have recovered, and since the major indexes have made new highs. That told me that Weyerhaeuser was putting in a consolidation pattern here to get through that red bar high. Anytime you want to go through a red bar, you got to consolidate, and that's exactly what it did. I wasn't sure how long it would take. That's why I gave myself some time on the clock. I actually bought the 32 strike price for the April 16, 2021 option. And this is a call option, obviously. We're looking for the market to go up. And sure enough, today, we see the big pop. Yesterday, you had a really good run in the stock. And that just tells us the stock probably is headed higher. Now, I do think there's some resistance in here right around 31. And that's the reason for taking the trade off the table. But ultimately, this is a stock that could probably run to around $33, maybe even $34, which is still quite a bit higher. So what we do with this now is we wait for a pullback, and then we'll look to re-enter it one more time. But overall, it gave us a 33% gain today. I know I got some emails from some of my members saying, hey, I got as high as 45%, and some of you even 50%. So well done there, holding out a little bit longer into the resistance zone. Well done. But either way, it was a very good pattern. And again, you watch these consolidation patterns, especially going into red bars. They're telling you they're building a base to get through that red bar high. And that's exactly what the equity did. And this has been a good week for Bullseye Options. If you just take a look here, you'll see we sold our Weyerhaeuser call option today for 33%. Earlier in the week, we sold our DBX Dropbox for 22.9%. And I believe on Monday, we got out of IBB call options for 34.69%. So all in all, it's a 91% week for Bullseye Options. So well done to the members there. And again, watch the patterns. They'll give you all these opportunities and more each and every trading day. With that being said, everybody, we'll see you soon. See you on the charts.